In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and organize notes in Obsidian. We'll keep it practical. Open Obsidian, make a folder so your work stays tidy, create a note, add your content, and then link notes together using Obsidian's double bracket links. Open Obsidian on your computer and head into the workspace you use most. On the left, you'll see the file browser. The main area is your editor. That's where everything you write will live. Create a new folder to group related notes. Think of a folder as a project or topic container. Give it a short, clear name you'll recognize later. Good names save time when your vault grows, and you can rename folders anytime without disrupting your writing flow. Now add a new note inside that folder. You'll start with a blank markdown file. Rename the note right away with a specific title, because titles become the default text you'll see when you link to this note from elsewhere. With the note open, start working in the editor. Obsidian handles plain text and markdown, so you can use headings and simple formatting if you want. Keep your sentences short and focused. The goal here is clarity, not perfection. Type in your data, capture the key ideas, lists, or references you want to keep. Breaking information into short paragraphs makes the note easy to scan later. If you have a quick summary, place it near the top so the purpose of the note is obvious at a glance. To connect this note to another, use Obsidian's wiki-style links. Type 2 opening square brackets. Then start typing the name of the note you want to reference, and close with 2 brackets. Those double brackets create an internal link. As you type between the brackets, Obsidian will show suggestions from your existing notes. Choose the one you want to appear. If it doesn't exist yet, select the option to create it automatically using the title you typed. You can also control the text you see in your current note by adding a vertical bar after the note name and typing your preferred label, like Project Plan Current Plan. The link will still point to Project Plan, but it will display as Current Plan where you placed it. That's it. Open Obsidian, make a folder, create a note, write your content, add the double brackets, and choose what you want to appear. Repeat this process to weave your notes into a clean, navigable network you'll actually enjoy using.